What will happen if you take your helmet off in space? Your first reaction will be to take a deep breath in, but since space has only 1% oxygen, you'll instantly begin to panic, as your body will start puffing up like a balloon. Not to worry though, because you won't explode. Your lungs, on the other hand, definitely will, as the leftover oxygen in them slowly expands, even though by now your brain has completely shut down. Painfully, you won't die. Yet. Instead, you'll stay alive for another 2 minutes, as your body slowly gives off its heat and freezes, so it can stay in perfect condition for literally millions of years. What will happen? Could zombies actually exist? Yes, but they don't look like these guys. This is an ant that has the cordyceps fungus. It's a parasitic infection that is alive. It targets insects to grow inside them using their tissues as nutrients, as it slowly takes over the insect's body and mind. And that's not the creepy part. The bug is still alive while the cordyceps infection is controlling its every move. Once it's sucked the bug dry, it takes it to the highest tree it can find and kills it, to then grow a stalk out of the bug's head and body to spread itself and repeat the cycle. There's over 600 different types of cordyceps fungus, and if just one adapts to infect humans, which is actually slightly possible, then human zombies could definitely exist. What would the perfect species look like? Starting with the human brain, since we are the smartest animal species on Earth, combined with the jaws of a megalodon, because no other animal in history has a stronger bite. Next is the golden eagle's eyes, so it can see its prey from miles away. But to catch its prey, it has to have the legs of a cheetah and the strong hands of a chimpanzee, so it can grab, catch, and build things. Next is the body of a gorilla, for pure size and strength. With the coolest part, we could give it the wings of a Quetzalcoatlus, because they have the largest wings in history, allowing this species to attack from the ground and the sky. Finally, by giving it the frog's ability to breathe both on land and underwater, giving it the hearing of a bat, the scent of an elephant, and the camouflage of a chameleon. This species of animal would literally be unstoppable. What happens when you get sucked into a black hole? Instantly, time will start to speed up, because a black hole is so big it mutates space and time. If you begin to look around, you literally see a fake version of yourself, because the super strong gravity is warping literal light. While you're getting burnt alive by gases, you'll start to get spaghettified, which literally means the gravity will turn you into a super stretched human spaghetti. Not a single person knows what's inside a black hole, since absolutely nothing can escape it once inside, meaning 1 second you're there and the next you're gone. How big is a real nuclear explosion? This is the Tsar Bomba, the largest nuke to ever be detonated. It's 26 feet in length and weighs the same as 5 elephants. This nuke actually got exploded in 1961, so we know that when it is detonated, it spans across 5 miles wide. That is 88 football fields long. The mushroom cloud in height is around 200,000 feet tall. That is around 120 of the world's tallest skyscrapers. The explosion is so bright that you can see the flash from 620 miles away. It literally sends multiple shockwaves around the entire Earth, and any person, animal, planes, or even cities will literally get annihilated by this nuke. And mankind actually has bigger bombs that we haven't even detonated yet. How do our bodies heal? When you accidentally cut yourself, your body instantly activates, tightening your blood vessels to stop you from bleeding out. On the surface, platelets are released to create a scab barrier and stop germs from getting in, while under the surface, inflammation has begun. Your wound has now become red and swollen. This is caused because white blood cells need a big battlefield to fight and kill any germs that got in. Now that everything is clean, safe, and protected, collagen is released to build you back 1 skin cell at a time. This tiny war happens every single time you cut yourself, while you had no idea and didn't even have to lift a finger.